Good group.
Hey, so my name is Casey. I am an investor by trade. I also run a business coaching mastermind that Alex was mentioning, where our clients are really committed to action, and most of them are doubling, tripling, quadrupling their business. So we don't play small, we play really fast, and we grow really fast. And so if that is something that, I'll say this, as a business owner myself, the best piece of advice I can give another business owner is that there is a thing called the ceiling of complexity. This wasn't even what I was going to talk about, but it's a perfect fit for the conversation. The ceiling of complexity for every business owner is the level at which you can play the game on your own. Okay? And so if you really look at like high-powered CEOs and publicly traded companies and people that have a lot of stuff going on, what you will almost always find is they are part of mastermind groups, they have advisors, they have consultants, they have coaches. Like for me, if I were to hire a coach, the first thing I would ask the coach is, how many coaches do you have on staff? Right? For me, I'm a part of several masterminds. I've got 3 coaches. I've got a team of advisors, bless you. So you want your coaches and your advisors to have their own team of coaches and advisors around them, right? So anyways, part of a group like that helps you break through and crack your own ceiling of complexity, and that's